Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am getting ready to go to Ross and TJ Maxx to look for a couple more organization items. So I really wanted to go through and kind of organize and declutter my kitchen a little bit. I have like a lazy Susan that's kind of stuffed to every time I turn it. Things are falling, getting stuck. I already bought a few bins, I believe from maybe, I think it was Marshall's. So I want to run out to Ross and TJ Maxx, see if there's any other bins I can find, and hopefully be able to organize that today. And yes, I still am a little bit sick, but we're gonna push through this. And yes, I still have my cold sore. So if you'd like to see how I organize my kitchen, then just keep on watching. I just got back from Ross and TJ Maxx, and I did a little bit of damage. But it's okay, it's a good thing. If I don't use any of these things, I could always return them. So I did get some organizing things and some things for myself. So I'll start off with the organizing bins. And I was kind of excited. There's a few of these things in the clearance section, which I don't know if they're just trying to like reorganize the shelves, maybe for Valentine's Day or for spring. But these items weren't damaged and they were on clearance, so I was excited. So the first thing I got are these just plain clear organizers. I have, I believe, a couple of these already, but these are really nice. You see what's inside. These are a bigger size. I know I've gotten some before that were like a little bit smaller. And these were originally $4.99 and they were on clearance for $3.50. So there was two of them. I got both of them. The next thing on clearance was this container right over here. These are nice. I have one like this already that I believe I have sugar in, and it actually comes with like a measuring cup inside, and that's awesome for like flour, sugar, things like that, and just like pops open like this. So at first I picked out like these smaller sizes, so just in comparison, the taller and smaller ones, and the smaller ones weren't on clearance, but I got these first and then I walked by the clearance and saw the bigger ones, so I got both of them. So I got two small ones and two big ones. The small ones were $5.99 and these big ones were originally $6.99, but on clearance for $5. So if I can use the big ones, I'll obviously use these and I'll return the smaller ones, but we'll see if I even end up using them at all. So from TJ Maxx, that's pretty much it for the organizing bins. Like I said before, I did get some from Marshall's before. I'll show you those when I'm ready to start organizing. Then I got this candle. It's like a pretty marble, I don't know if you can tell if it's picking up, but it has like this marble finish. And the scent is tropical citrus. And if I could get it open, it smells really good. Next, I got this like little vase thing. This was $2. I think I have one already. It might be similar to this. And it's really cute to either put like a little flower or a stem of like eucalyptus in there. And so it's not like a huge vase, just something little and cute. I really like that. Next, I got this garlic salt. It's mixed with parsley. And this was $2.99. And it's a really cute bottle. It has like a cork as like a top. So I really like that. Then I got these command hooks. I've ordered some on Amazon before. Those were like more of like a heavy duty for heavier things. And I got these to hang up hats in my closet because I used to use like push pins, but the hats kept falling off. So I got these to hang up like my baseball caps in my closet. Then I got this really cute notebook. I know I have like a lot of like smaller notebooks and I don't really use all of them, but I like this size and I love that it has like the spirals where I can open it up and be able to like flip it back. I like those kind of notebooks. I hate the ones that don't have like the spirals because you open it and it just stays like that. Like I like to be able to flip it back. I don't know, I know I'm weird, but I just thought it was really cute. And I believe that was it for TJ Maxx. And then at Raw, actually no, I got one more thing at TJ Maxx. So in my guest bathroom, it's kind of like black, white, gold, you know, those kind of tones. And I have these white rugs on the floor, but they get dirty so quick. Like, we don't wear shoes inside their house, but still, like, you know, your feet get dirty, slippers get dirty, whatever. So I've noticed I wash them like so often, they get dirty. You see everything on them, obviously it's white. And I think it's the material too of the rugs that like collects everything. So I just saw this rug. I don't know if it's gonna look nice in there. I haven't tried it yet, but it's just like this big black and white, I believe it's cotton. I could be wrong. I don't know what, yes, it's woven cotton. This was $17 or $16.99. So I don't know. I don't know if this will look nice. We'll see. But I bought that to try out in there. Okay, now moving on to Ross. I did get a pair of like onesies for my sister-in-law. She's having a baby, so I'm not going to show that because I don't want her to see it. But I did pick up myself a pair of just plain black leggings. I have a pair I'm wearing right now, and I absolutely love them. I bought them when my mom was here. We went, and it was just like a random thing. I didn't try them on at the store. I brought them home, and I absolutely love them. They're so comfortable. They were hanging in the one-size-fits-all section. So I went back to try to find them, and I couldn't. So I got these. They kind of feel like the same material, but again, I didn't try them in the store, so I'll have to try them on and see. But I absolutely love them, so I hope these are the same kind. Then I got these really cute, like they're like the paper gift bags. So it's like a darker purple and like a lighter pinkish purple. And there's 13 bags in here. That's an odd number. And they were $3.99. So I thought that was a great price to even do like gift bags if you're throwing like a party or something. They're just really cute bags. Then I picked up this jar. So I already have, I think, like 2 of these, but like larger kind. One of them I have flour in, and the other one I keep, like if I bake cookies, I'll put them in. But this is like a smaller size. So I thought it was really cute. We'll see, maybe I'll use this to organize something as well. The last thing I got was, I've seen these before, and I just kind of walked past them, but this time I actually took a look at them, and they're really cool. They're like, kind of like, it's called like a glue runner. So instead of like taking out a glue stick or using double-sided tape, you just kind of run it along. Like if you're making a scrapbook, any cards, I thought this would be great. Not that I do a lot of scrapbooking, but I've been wanting to get into it more. So really easy. You just run it along and it sticks right on. So I picked those up. And that is pretty much it. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to start organizing my kitchen. So here is my Lazy Susan before I organize anything. As you can tell, it's really crammed in there. It's just a mess. So what I'm going to start off by doing is taking everything out on the counter so I see what I have, get rid of food that's either expired, old, or we're not eating anymore, and just organize that. I have all of my containers laid out so I see what I have, what I can use. These are the other ones that I told you I'd show. I really like these. They're like triangles, perfect for a Lazy Susan because you can kind of stack them in a circle. I have this one, my containers. This I actually got from the dollar store, and it has a lid, so I thought maybe I could use that maybe like for tea bags, not specifically for the Lazy Susan, but for something else maybe. And then also this one as well that has a lid, so this can go in the refrigerator or anywhere really. Next, I'm just going to spray this down with an all-purpose cleaner and wipe it off. So far, I have these snacks in here. So I love these. They're kind of like grab and go, like almonds. Then some snacks in here. Some popcorn, crackers, chips, pretzels. So I'm going to go ahead and put those. Some of the bigger items, I'm not really going to put in containers, like a few of these things. This flour I'll probably keep in the bags until this starts running out. Then I'll add some more. Just because it is two different kinds of flour, I don't want to mix it. And then the cereal boxes, I think I'm going to leave in the boxes for now. I did want to get those like containers specifically for cereal, you know, those kind that dump out. They look similar to something like this, but they have like that lid that opens like halfway or whatever. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to start putting some of the stuff back. And here is the after. Everything is nice and organized. I still have to take the tag off of this bin. I have extra room. And down here. I love having fresh flowers in the house, and they always come with flower food. So all the extra food I just put in this little clear bin from the dollar store. And that is it. I love how it came out. It makes me happy to open it now, because before I was almost scared to open it because something was always falling because everything was on top of each other. Nothing was organized. So this feels really good to have it clean and organized. Next up, I have my baking and spice cabinet. Most of my spices I have in a separate spice drawer, but I do have like a couple things over here. The rest is mostly baking items. So as you can tell, it's crammed as well. I do have a couple bins here already. This one and those two up there. I really like those. They have lids and they can stack on top of each other. So I'll see what I can do and condense or throw away expired items. So let's see what we come up with. Now I am all done. So down here, I just kind of condensed some of my spices. And in these bins, I already had the sugar, and these are the two new ones that I bought. So I put the brown sugar and the powdered sugar. Up here, it still looks like a little bit of a mess, but what I'm going to try to do is find some jars and dump the chocolate chips in there just so it looks a little bit neater. And over here, I have some extra baking supplies. Up there as well, I would like to find some kind of bin to put all of these sprinkles in, just so it doesn't look so messy and like so many containers. And these are pretty much kept the same, just organize the stuff in there. It definitely does look a lot better, but again, not perfect, but this works for now. This is my tea drawer. I forgot to show you the before, but I just kind of went through and condensed some tea boxes. I have all my teas in here. I have a couple more boxes over here. All of the K-cups. And just some like coffee over there. And here I need to find little jars for these loose leaf teas as well. I have some mint. And this is some, I'm not sure, I think some fruit kind. But yeah, it looks a lot better. I wish I showed you that before. That is all the organizing I'm going to do for today. So I do need to order some labels for those containers. My sister actually makes them, so I'll order them from her. And that'll look a little bit neater. And this way, if my husband, even though he doesn't really bake, or you know, if my mom or someone's over, they know what's in there. Even for myself, it's just easier when you see what's in there. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this gave you some motivation to organize some of your cabinets or closets. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time.